Hello everyone, Daniel Chandran here, and here is my another task for lab 1. Okay, this time is about the quicker app launch, and here is the I have designed the second activity and Google, which related to from YouTube I have watched that Sir gave us in the Google Classroom by add 1, which is eClass. Now I'm going to show the activity second. Activity second is used as a text view, so it will show like hey how are you and or hello there and something like that. But I did a different text view, so let's check it out. Okay, here's uh, another view of the another activity here. Here's the text view. I only put just text view for this page only. Now I'm going to show the main activity. Okay, here's the code for the main activity. As I look at YouTube, I have to follow the package name, which is www.danielchandra.com.quickerlaunch.something, and then it will show the value says hello Danny. For the second activity, for the button second activity as well as Google, it will launch Google in the browser, and then intent go to Google. This is the two buttons I follow in the YouTube, but I add one which is eClass. Same thing like Google, except I put the URI web address for this link. So it'd be easy if you want to go eClass. So it'd be easy to go in eClass in the minimum time. Okay, now I'm going to show the second activity. Here's the second activity. So you will see the key, which is from the package there. You will show the text that I created from the main activity. And now I'm going to show the running app. Alright, here we go. So as usual, you need to take time. I'll pause first, then I will come back. Okay everyone, I have launched my quick app launcher. So as I test out second activity. Okay, so it's just say hello instead of hello Danny, but I will adjust soon. Now I'm going to look at Google. When I press Google, okay, hold on. It will take a while to load. Okay, so here I've opened up the Google. Alright, so let's see if I can change to. Okay, here is the multitask. Okay, where after I'll click to quick app launcher, you see what happens. Okay, now I'm going to eClass. Just wait for it to load. Okay, Now it's a fetch to eClass as well. Now once I will log in to my eClass. Okay, for a quick start, this is how I've created the app in the eClass. You can go to YouTube or you want to go to Google, all that. But it will take some time to load into this virtual device. But somehow it works as normal without any problem.